supposed to be crossing because I'm walking. Yeah, I'm going to Pick and Pay.
I'm leaving like this, but like, hey, can I get your number, something like that?
No, you can't get my number.
Maybe why?
Zimbogoto. Hi guys. Yo, my skin has this bad rash. I'm so allergic to the sun. So yeah, no. So I can't show my face. But it's fine. So I'm from school now. Yo, there's a lot going on here. It's heritage and the girls are looking fine. Yeah, no, they're looking all good, Jim. I'm not gonna lie. But then there's us. But anyway, I am going to Pick and Pay to buy things that I'm gonna need for cooking tomorrow. As you have read by the title, I'll make a proper introduction video and I'll make a proper intro for you guys when I get to my place or tomorrow. I'm only starting this video now because I want to show you guys what I'm gonna buy when I get to Pick and Pay, right? Phew, this dress is giving me troubles. And I have to now like knit ons. See, now being a girl, it's a lot of work. I'm cool with my oversized clothes, with my baggy jeans, like honestly. But anyway, I'll just catch you guys when I get to Pick and Pay. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video to all my returning subscribers. So welcome back to these, and to those who are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. I am new to my channel. Let's get into it. So guys, as you have probably read by the title, today you are cooking with me. So you're cooking with me, and the funny thing, actually the interesting thing about today's video is that I am shooting it today and I am uploading it today. It's the consistency for me. I'm joking, and I'm the most inconsistent hand because I last uploaded like weeks ago, but okay, I am back now and I'm better now. So yeah, so today guys are cooking with me Sunday girls type of thing, you know, not really Sunday girls because I don't have a lot of things. I'm just gonna use what I have. So I have tried to like buy everything that I would need, especially the spices. I try to buy everything that I would need. So I'm just gonna use what I have, you know. And also I was so tired. Google my noodles like all the time. That's tiring, guys. Like making fries. Like if you get time, just cook for yourself, you know. Especially because it's a Sunday. You know how Sundays are mostly. It's either you eat good food, like a home cooked meal, Sunday girls, or you just eat out. You know, imagine eating fries like while you have food on a Sunday. No. So you guys are gonna cook with me. I'm gonna try, you know, to get proper lighting to, you know, shoot what I can shoot. So without further ado, let's cook. Now imagine being here every day. I've only been here for like an hour now, and I'm already exhausted. Now imagine going through this every day. Every day, because you are married. I don't even cook for myself every day, and I have to cook for men every day. Yo. Nah, at this point, I'm not mature enough for that. So, see now, I don't know if I should change or it's fine. One thing about the onion is a package. I need to make sure. Yo, you know what I've learned is that you have to breathe through your mouth and not your nose while chopping onions. But that doesn't seem to be working. Cause what? A long way to go, honestly. And also, you don't have to chop the head, because that's why you cry. But I also did not do that. I don't know why.
Jordan, you're so cute. Wake up!
I'm supposed to be crossing because I'm
You
walking.
crossing?
Yeah, I'm going to Pick and Pay.
I'm leaving like this, but like, hey, can I get your number, something like that?
No, you can't get my number.
She made it why though?
No,
Black.
because you're black. Okay, I'm trying to check. I'm making a video and then I'm trying to check if give it a like.
Yazi ufuna ngibhedula ngummenga daphuleka ngiphethe ngiphethe akatsha
But see what cooking does to me. But 1 out of 4 finished.